So, in today's episode, we are going to be removing the bow doors and the walls, and the actual walls are still going to be retained, and we are going to basically remove the walls and then put some new marine ply sections, as well as having kingspan insulation and stuff like that. The windows are actually going to be removed. These windows are actually going to be removed just because there's the crash cover anyway, and it's well, a lot more watertight and a lot more heat tight as well. I know, yes, it's an original feature of one of these boats to have these windows, but it's not really going to be seen anyway. So we're just going to continue in stripping down this wall and the doors. So we've just removed the whole wall. There's a steel cross member behind this new CLS batten here, so I've quickly bitumened it, and the new CLS battens are coming on. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be building a frame all the way around, and then we're going to basically marine ply the whole section. So we've put a new CLS frame in. We've had to double up this top section, but around the bottom half of the wall is going all the way around. What we're going to do then after that is that we're going to put a new section of CLS timber around the top half, and then this section is going to be replied.
If it don't fit, Dan, you need new doors.
So yeah, basically more vertical cross members have been installed. The doors are temporarily in at the minute, and there is just a little bit of a gap at the top section, but the bottom section is currently flush. So what we're going to need to do is raise the vertical battens on the doors so that there is clearance on both sides in order for the door to swing. So the door frame is actually in, and the doors have actually been reinstalled as well with our clearance, and they work quite well. So it all shuts nice and flush. So now it's just time just to do some little bits to tidy up some of the bit of the clearance, and then it's just insulation and boards. So basically what we've just done is that we've cut some pieces of the old boards just so that we can have a template for our marine ply, because the price of marine ply these days, I'd rather not want to waste any marine ply, or money for that matter. So these pieces have just been cut out of two pieces, and we will be cutting that in one piece. I've not really filmed much of the actual work going on itself, just because it's been all hands on deck, but we are making very good progress. We've made quite a bit of progress at the minute. So the marine ply is actually in, and the kingspan insulation has been installed in the wall cavities as well, where the boards are. And the bow doors have been tested for clearance, and they all seal well and lock well, pretty well too. The bow doors themselves were reused from before the rebuild because they were structurally okay, so they're going to get repainted and new trim panels are going to get added. This is what it looks like from the outside, so it looks a lot better. New curtains are going to be installed, and the walls are going to get painted. More for protection really for the woodwork, just because the crash cover is normally closed on this boat.